Hello, my name is Joshua, and today I'm going to show you how to log into your Entrust account. First, we want to open a new tab or a new window. Then we want to go to our website, www.theentrustgroup.com. Now, if you do see some extra words here after the entrustgroup.com, you can go ahead and simply click on them and delete them up until the .com. Once we have just www.theentrustgroup.com, then we want to click on enter and it will take you to our website. From here, you're going to log in all the way to the top of the page towards the right. It's a green button. It says login. So you want to click here. Now it's going to prompt you to enter your email. So you want to enter your email that's on the account. Then you want to click on login. And then you want to enter the password. This window here, this is talking about the two-step verification. That is an extra layer of security that we have after you enter your email and password. You can add that extra feature to have the 6-digit code sent to you either by phone call or text. Text is recommended since it's just faster. The authenticator or verification code apps, that is referring to an app that you can download that will essentially do the same thing. That's more so used for international clients. And then you have, of course, the option to turn it off. We're just going to skip it for now. And then you want to click on submit. Okay, and once you log in, it will look like this. This is your online profile.